Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar index, I mean, we have what looks like the end of an ABC correction about 2 weeks ago. Now we have a big impulsive down, a little bit of a double bottom. Price did bounce right there. Then it made another lower high, and now it looks like it's pushing down. The question is this like impulsive corrective, and then it's going to lead to another impulsive before it goes down? Or is the trend just going to keep on going? Because the fact that the trend is down, the structure is telling us the trend is down, the fact that this looks like the end of an ABC correction, I am always leaning towards looking for shorts on shorter time frames via the US dollar pairs themselves. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got a few things going on here. I got my Fibonacci extension on the first wave projected out the bottom of the top of the second wave. And I also got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. So if this really is like an A, B, C correction or a pullback to the last wave up, then most likely it would go to a Fibonacci retracement level and a Fibonacci extension level, which is the blue levels. Then it would probably break back to the upside with momentum. If we see this picture right here, then we definitely want to get back on the long side because that's telling us that it probably is an A, B, and it's going to go up for a C. But if it doesn't do that, if it just makes a normal bounce, doesn't break structure, just keeps on going down and down and down, then we should be doing absolutely nothing but looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.